Calculation of cutting length of rectangular stirrup in beams. In figure, you can see beam depth is 450 mm, and breadth is 300 mm, clear cover is 20 mm. In figure, circular dots represent vertical arms. Here size of stirrup is 8 mm. Now we will learn how much cutting length of stirrup is cut on sides means how much we cut. In figure you will see center line of stirrup. Now let us calculate a length which is equal to breadth of beam minus 2 times clear cover minus 2 times of dia of stirrup. Let us calculate B length which is equal to depth of beam minus 2 times clear cover minus 2 times of dia of stirrup. Here we are considering mild condition in which clear cover is 20 mm, so we get a value as 244 mm, and B as 394 mm. After this calculate the hook length and bend. Great! If you have all the values you need, you can use the formula to calculate the cutting length. Just make sure to double check your values and the formula to ensure accuracy.